Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roisum. In this final installment on What Matters, we talk about materials. In Web 101, we learned that it is not the chemistry of materials per se that matters in web handling. What matters is the material properties that result from the combination of chemistry, manufacturing, and processing. We find that totally different chemistries, such as tissue and nonwovens, or magazine paper and PET film, behave nearly the same. So what does behave nearly the same mean? It means that we might expect a similar list of web handling issues and problems. It means that we might expect a similar list of winding troubles and defects. Finally, it means we might expect that similar equipment components will be needed to handle and wind. In short, we might expect similar behavior when relevant material properties are similar. In this clip, we will list a few of these must-know and measurable properties. As we learned in Module 5 of Web 101, one way to size the required tension capacity of a machine is via the 10 to 25% of MD strip tensile strength guideline. This works well enough for a variety of common materials until we get to stronger materials where pulling that hard is expensive and thus avoided. From Web 101, we learned that either extremes of strength can cause challenges in both web machine design and web handling. Also in Module 5, we learned another guideline based on thickness that is captured by the Web Tension Calculator by Abbott app. It should not be surprising to find that either extreme of thickness can cause challenges in both web machine design and web handling. MD modulus affects drive and winding strategies a great deal. Would you be surprised to find that either extreme of modulus can be challenging? COF and tackiness affect web handling a bunch, and winding a big bunch. Would you be surprised to find that either extreme can be challenging? At the low end, we have path control issues in web handling and telescoping type 2 in winding. At the high end, where webs are tacky, we will likely have great trouble in winding rolls that are round, and they will almost certainly vibrate if wound at higher speeds. Of all of the properties of a web, thickness profile variation may be the most debilitating. If thickness varies less than 1%, you probably have no problems. If thickness varies more than 10%, you probably have no customers. Other properties of note affect a variety of web handling problems. Thank you so very much for watching this module in my Plant Practical series. Stay tuned for more web handling, web converting, and web winding topics.